Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can guys receive money in PayPal without a bank account. So right now I am in PayPal's contact us page where it shows you how you can receive money through PayPal. And as you can see over here with PayPal, you can receive money when somebody sends a payment to your email address or mobile number. Once that happens, well, send the message letting you know you will have money available. Basically, what this means is somebody can send you money in PayPal if you don't have a bank account. But remember that money is gonna be stored in your PayPal account. Get the money out of your PayPal account and into your hand or into cash. Then basically you need to have a bank account connected, because that way only you can send that money to your bank and then withdraw it. Otherwise you can't. So let me show you guys how you can do that. So first of all, you want to go to this website called paypal.com, which is the official website of PayPal. Now once you're over here, you have to log into your account first. But if you guys have already logged into your account, basically what you want to do is you want to click on where it says request to request money from your friends. Now I already told you that money is going to be on your PayPal account. To convert it into cash, you need to connect a bank account. But to receive any money, you don't need a bank account. So you just need to enter the name or email or phone number of the person over here. Even if they don't have a PayPal account, it's gonna send them a message that you requested money using PayPal to them. And once you enter the name, email or mobile number over here, you want to click on next and it's gonna be sent to them. Once they click on that request, they can send you money. So that's basically how this works. Once they send this money, it's going to be stored into your PayPal account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.